to a new vlog. Last night I washed and twisted and curled my hair, and I sat under the dryer for 2 hours. I hope it's dry. Let's go ahead. I think they got a ball. Alright, I think I'm ready to go to work. I need a regular bobby pin back here. Just keep this down this way. Alright, I'm late. You know what? I just realized that I have this rug that I was about to throw out because half of it is kind of like matted. It's a fuzzy rug. Half of it was kind of like matted. I was like, ugh, there's no way I can get the mats out. But one side is still good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out the part that's still good and make my Christmas tree skirt. You'll see. Hold on. Over here is kind of matted, but because this was kind of my walkway and nothing was hitting this side. But anyway, about to make my Christmas tree start right out of this. We're gonna make this work. Alright, got me some scissors and a marker highlighter. This way to get the center point of it. Guess that's right there. Just gonna cut a slit. Let me cut a little scoop out. Is not big enough. Okay, this one's a little bit bigger. Let's see. Okay, that one's better. Is it the best thing? No. Do I care? Also no. Bye.